Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to draw on a Google Doc. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab and then select Drawing, select New, and then at this point, go ahead and do a custom drawing. If you want to select different shapes, you can do that. You have images you want to insert in here too. You can do basically whatever you want. And then you can also, if you select the line, you can draw different lines or select different items on the page. And then you can also do your own scribble. If you click the drop down arrow and select scribble down here, you can then draw whatever you want basically. And then you would select save and close, and now it should be in the document itself. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.